That's a fun day. Only doing the terrible rides at Hollywood Studios.
We do the Frozen sing-along celebration.
That's a terrible one.
Oh, Michelle likes that one.
Oh, sorry. That's a great one.
Last time we went on that.
Yep, go get a map. This kid and his maps. He's got like 40 of those maps at home.
Maybe he'll be a cartographer.
Maybe.
The wait times are crazy.
What are they?
Tower of Terror is 80 minutes.
What?
Right? A ride that I would never wait 30 for is 80 minutes right now. So what do you, it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to do much today. Rise is like 90. Tower of Terror is 80.
What's Mickey and Minnie?
Mickey and Minnie's like 75. Even Toy Story Mania is like 45 minutes.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Do you guys want to go get like a snack?
Yeah. We could
Alright.
just be here for like snacks and stuff
We
instead
could
of
like,
rides.
yeah, hang out and do the rock.
Yeah, we can just walk around and see what happens to the wait times.
Muppet Vision.
No.
Aww.
They have the plan of just doing the crappy rides today, like Muppets and Lightning McQueen and doing One Man's Dream. It is very busy today. Oh, it's a sea of people. Wait, we didn't do socially distanced Beauty and the Beast yet.
I know, I want to do it.
Is it still open?
It says closed.
Ah, crap.
How long is Swirling Saucers?
I don't know. We can go look.
I want.
Do you want to start at Baseline Tap House?
Yeah.
Do you want to get a soda?
Yeah? 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 Awesome. That's yours. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You too.
Thank you.
Yeah. Go to town on this pretzel.
Make sure you save me some of that. All right, the beer. North Coast. Little Hazy Sierra is my favorite. Stone Brewing from San Diego. And a cider. Oh no.
I'll trade you the cider.
Yeah, I do want to trade one for the cider, but I want to try the cider.
Okay. How is it? Oh, do you actually like it?
It's not the worst thing I've ever had in my life. It's an Ace cider with orange and apple.
Oh, I like it.
Not bad,
It's
right?
very fall fun.
I'll take this one for the cider. Is that okay?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know what it
Have
is, so who cares?
Yeah,
Are you sure you know what you're talking about, Miles? I'm not buying it today.
It's a North Coast.
It's the North Coast? Oh, wow.
What?
Wanna try it?
Yes.
I like this game. Oh,
We do this every time. We've tried all of these before. It's just fun.
are you sure?
Which one's the wheat? What's the last
He
one?
said this is the wheat one.
What's the last one? Let me see.
No,
Golden.
this is the Oktoberfest. He said this is the Oktoberfest.
He has no. You messed up the whole thing.
I'm gonna ruin it.
Oh no! That wrecked everything. The aesthetic is dead, Michelle. Miles,
Are you ready for Muppets?
Not for you, Daddy.
boring ride number 1.
It's a great show, guys. Even though I'm not in it, they went with the Bonnie instead of me. But today, I want to tell you all about the special that does star me and is coming to Disney Plus in October. It's Muppets Animation! It's in 2D, it's very funny, and
Now, the other actors to your right will be opening towards you.
Drinking.
You're looking cool, dude.
You don't have yours on?
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Oh, how's that?
Nice.
Put on your glasses, Statler. Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask! That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady. Good ones. Yeah, probably took the job for the halibut.
how awesome that show is?
I love that show.
I know you do.
It makes me
Michelle?
laugh.
Thumbs up? Yeah.
Do you guys want to go get a snack?
We just had a snack! Are you hungry for dinner? It's like 7 o'clock. We've been here for like 2 hours and have done only Muppets and Baseline. It's gonna be a long night. The benefit to going to Muppets too is the Gonzo's Royal Flush is an awesome bathroom to go to. Saw 4 guys go in there and not wash their hands when they left. It's gross. Get down. It's for butts, not feet. Hey, you guys good?
Yeah.
That was a much shorter line than it was earlier.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what's next?
I don't know. What are the wait lines like?
Well, Tower of Terror is closed, which means everything else is going to be even busier.
It's closed?
So, yeah.
Why?
Smugglers Run's 40 minutes. Toy Story Mania is 35 minutes. Swirling Saucers are 25 minutes.
Okay.
That's
Let's do swirling saucers.
oh, that's the cusp of what I can even tolerate for that. Even Star Tours is up to 15 minutes.
What do you want to do?
What's the shortest line other than Star Wars?
Oh, you know what the shortest line is? Muppet 3D Vision. Do you want to go on that again?
No.
Okay. All right, fine. Let's go do Swirling Saucers.
Yay!
That wasn't the plan for tonight, but I guess that's what we're going to do.
Okay.
If nothing else, this place isn't amazing, but I love the lights at night.
I know.
It's really cool. Oh, what are those ears? Those are
These are
awesome.
the 50th anniversary years.
That line is for Rise of the Resistance. 105 minutes. Oh my god, after you get into Galaxy's Edge, it's just a sea of people waiting to get on Rise of the Resistance. Holy.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, but I would never wait this long. Now the guy you were talking about before.